Hi, welcome to my channel Creative IT Hacks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Today we'll learn how to add page number in Microsoft Word. Hello viewer, here I have a document that is several pages long, and this is without page number. For adding page number, you just have to go the Insert tab and look here at the right, header and footer group. There is lots of other things, but let's focus in page number option. When I click on page number, it gives me several options for the location of the page number. I want the page number top of the page, bottom of the page, page margins, current position, format page number and remove page number. I'm just going to choose bottom page number. There are many options, but I have to choose from including some really fancy ones. I'm going to go with the classic option. I'll just go with plain number. This will keep the number in the lower right corner, so I select that now. Accent bar 4. I've added page number. You can see, as I drag the cursor, it applies on all pages. It's all showing up very well. But I also have a new tab at the top. It's the header and footer tab. There is many options, but I go to the page number format. In this dialog box, I can choose a different number format. If I want for my page number, I could also include chapter numbers, which is not going to work in my case, and then, this is the key option start at. Instead of starting at 1, I am going to start at 2, page 2, then click OK. The whole document page numbers start with 2, but I want from page number 1, so I'm going to set page number 1. Then here also on the header and footer tab, in the positions group, I am adjusting the footer page number position with clicking up and down arrows. It's very useful option. And in the options group, this time I am going to select different first page with that selected. And the first page is different in the whole document. Click on different even and odd pages. As you can see, all the odd numbers show in it and the even numbers are skipped. Close the header and all page number apply on my document. For removing page number, again go to Insert tab and header and footer group. Click on page number and go to the last option, remove page number, and the magic happens. The page number removed successfully. Thanks for watching. If you are new on my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update.